For southeastern Waller County and southeastern Texas, west central Harris County and southeastern Texas until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:33 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Patterson or near Brookshire, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. It will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Waller and west central Harris counties. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay, that doesn't work.
In Texas, service in League City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Waller County.
Dude, my parents were talking about severe weather today. I was talking about severe weather today. I did not know it would start off with a tornado warning like last time. Cool.